Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make cartoon animation video in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements tab and search for Urban Street. You can choose any of them. I will choose this one and add it, then increase its size. Next, go to the Elements tab again and search for Walking. Choose from the many walking options and add it. Then, click on the Flip option and select Flip Horizontal. Next, add the image to the left side. You will see the Animate option at the top. Click on it, go to Create an Animation. Move the image slowly from the left side to the right side. After that, click on the Done option. Click on the canvas image, go to Animate, and click on Create an Animation. Then, move the background image from the left side to the right side. Click on the Done option. Then go to Custom, click on Original, and choose Steady. This will make the animation video play steadily. And you will see the video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon.